Alright, so I guess I'm going to do this in sections. It might be a little easier, so I cut out this one big section right here. It covers about, I don't know, about 2 feet. So then we can just go up to about where the dome light goes in from the roof, take it across, make this midsection in through here. So I gotta get the glue on it, both sides. That first one went in just fine, tacked in there, real great. You knock, makes that sound, but then you knock on this, it's quiet. That's what you want. Deaden that sound. Insulate it from the heat and the sound. So it should look real nice once it's up. And then I gotta get the other pieces on. And just kind of starting with that smaller piece. You pick this up pretty much anywhere. You know, where they sell carpet, just a padding. So looks like that. Sticks real nice. Alright, so I got the glue on there. This is what it looks like. Probably can't really tell, but I'm gonna jump in there and try to get this first piece in. Alright. It's been about a couple minutes, so the glue should be getting tacky. Just gotta make sure that you get it up in the right spot. So I'm going to start from one corner. Once it starts going up, I should be able to pull on it just a little bit, kind of slide it in place. Yeah, because it kind of moves. Nice like. Yeah, it's going up good. Just kind of get the match where you want it to go. Might have to get some extra. Go up there. My piece isn't really all that square. I want to make sure. Oh yeah, looks nice. Make sure you just kind of get it all in the places where you got the glue. You don't want it to be coming down on your headliner. Yeah, I like that. Alright, get out of your way. Kind of see what's going on. Yeah, that looks nice. Alright, I'll see about getting another piece going. Okay, got the next piece all covered with adhesive, so we're going to wait a couple seconds here more and put it up on the next piece up on the roof. Should be getting tacky enough. So just kind of finger test it, see where it's at. Feels like it's getting tacky there. Yeah, it's still getting to be tacky up here. Just kind of eyeballing it. So it feels alright. Carefully pick this piece up. And line it up just right. A little tricky. That's why you do it in sections. Try to get one side down. Oh. Alright. where it's gonna go. Takes a while for it to really stick in, so you got time to get it in the right spot. That's what I'm finding out anyway. Oh yeah. Again, you want to make sure you go over it so you don't got it kind of sagging on you. Make sure it's sticking everywhere. Because that, when it gets hot, it'll start peeling off probably. If the glue's not right. Yeah. Not too bad. I gotta pull this back maybe a little bit and spray a little bit more in there. But I got another 6 or 7 inches to go. And I'm gonna have to come back here with a little bit of filler. But I think that's the way it should look. So hopefully I wasn't blocking too much of that, but you know, we're coming across pretty nice. Alright, here we go. Another little piece right in the front. Got to change my view here so kind of get the rest of that how it looks like when it's going up. As you can see, I got the one piece in the very front, and then I'm going to have to come back here on the passenger side and do a little bit of a fill-in. Shouldn't be too bad. So I got my both sides glued up with my strong adhesive. So just waiting a little bit for it to become tacky and then start sticking it up. It's always good to make sure you got plenty. It's easier to cut it off than it is to try to add more on. So try to get this in the right spot to start it off. Looks about right. Work its way in there. It's going to be tight because I want to make sure I had enough. Looks like it's going to fit real nice. Up and around where the rear view mirror goes. Oh yeah. That's pretty easy. And I did it in like about 2-foot sections, a couple of 2-foot sections, and then about another 8-foot strip. That seemed to work pretty well. You could just kind of depends on what you think you can manage upside down when it's all gluing like that. But now it sounds really good. That deadening sound is what you want to hear. Help out. Yeah, I like that. That's going to be nice. Alright, well I think that again we got to try to measure and cut, so I'll be right back. Alright, got the last little strip in, so it looks like I got the whole roof nicely insulated. So just took a little bit of not real precise cutting, just to make sure I got that last little strip in there. So it looks real nice, came out alright. So that's the first thing you'll have to do when you're putting in a new headliner. Is make sure that you get its sound barrier or insulation up on top of the roof. And so that's what it looks like when it's all up there. Do it in pieces and whatnot. A lot easier than it seems. It seems like a big daunting task, but just divide it up and it works out just right. So, alright. On to the next thing. Look at my pieces and see what I need to do. Out.